Hello everyone, hope you all are doing good. Welcome to a new unclogging video on Hellhole channel. Please support us by subscribing to our channel. So today it's a complaint site where we have been found this overflow in the street, and today we are going to unclog this sewer line and block span to clear this overflow. The level of sewage in this manhole is fully down, so this span is blocked, and we will try to unclog the span by using this metal rod. So this rubbish has been removed from the pipe, and the sewer line is partially functional now, and it started taking the sewage which was overflowing, and there is no more sewage which is now overflowing from the manhole. It started taking water, but the speed of the sewage is very low. ਇੰਜ ਨਾ ਕਰੋ, ਉਂਝ ਕਰੋ। ਇੰਜ ਨਾ ਕਰੋ, ਨਹੀਂ ਮੈਂ ਕਿਹਾ ਇੰਜ ਨਾ ਕਰੋ, ਉਂਝ ਕਰੋ।
ਇਹ ਨਿਕਲਦਾ ਨਾ ਮਾਲ ਫੇਰ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਕਮਾਲ ਚੱਲ ਮੇਰੇ ਨਾਲ ਕੀ ਕਰਦੇ
Staff is removing the rubbish which has been stuck with this metal wire.
ਪੁੱਛਦਾ ਹੀ ਕਹਿੰਦਾ ਕੰਮ ਲੱਗਦਾ ਕੋਈ ਡੱਕਾ ਹੈ
The level in the next manhole is still very down, so this fan is not uh, totally functional for now. Rubbish is coming from the pipe, as you can see that, and it's trying to flow.
ਉਹ ਲਵੇੜ ਦੇ ਲਵੇੜ ਦੇ ਘਰ ਉੜੇ ਤੇ ਆ ਸਾਰਾ ਕੁਝ ਪਾਣੀ ਨੂੰ ਲੋੜ ਨਹੀਂ ਬਣਾ ਤਾਂ ਵੜਦਾ ਵੀ ਮਾੜਾ ਮਾੜਾ ਮੂੰਹ ਦੇ ਸਾਰੇ ਭਰੇ
ਓਏ ਉਹ ਫਿਰ ਵੀ ਉਹਨੇ ਬਣਾ ਜਾਣਾ ਸੀ ਇਹਦਾ। So staff is again working with this metal wire because this fan is not fully functional for now.
ਆਪਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਇੱਧਰੋਂ ਲਾਉਣਾ
This is the next span which got blocked when we unclog the first span. The next span get blocked. Now they are applying uh, steel bar in the next span, and this is now getting functional. You can see that the sewage is now flowing with a good speed, and the rubbish coming from the sewer pipe. The level of sewage is decreasing in this manhole continuously. Let's see the condition of previous manhole which we have unclogged earlier. Level of sewage in this manhole is now also decreasing. The sewer line is now functional. That is all for today. Thank you very much for watching.